Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this fifth day of August 2025. We got a special edition of Trade of the Day. We're actually going to do three back-to-back trades. They're all the same signal. They were all taken in the LTR live trading room today, and we're going to walk you through exactly what we did. So we're going to go to our old friend, the strong candle indicator. Here we go. I will change this to a so we can see more clearly. So you see a little red triangle pointing downwards means that that's a very strong candle. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the next candle to push up, which is already done the first second of the next candle. We're going to put our order on the body of the strong candle, and we're going to wait for it to go short. Now, we're going to do this three times in a row. Right. So usually we only do one trade, but we're going to do all three of them today. So I look up here with the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 50 to 60 ticks long. And so I'll get my ATM out, our standard ATM, which is 2 times 16, 1 times 30, 1 times 60. And we're going to do that back to back to back. So here we go. First thing we do is put our trade on. We're going to sell, put it on the body of the candle, wait to get picked up, and we'll just slowly but surely go through this particular trade. Three candles in a row. So this may be slightly longer than usual, but I think what you'll see here is quite extraordinary. And you can see I could have taken any of these strong candles on the way up. They all paid brilliantly. So until we get picked up, we'll just do the 1 times the that's going the other way. Maybe I can speed up a little bit here. Hold on. I just want to make sure we don't get jumped on the replay. We get all of our contracts taken out. There we go. Brilliant. Okay, so we're in all of them. Great. We'll see when the first candle gets taken out, our stop goes to break even position. And now we'll try and get the rest of our targets taken out. Now we'll go to the end of the candle. So our first and second candles, first and second targets got taken out. So nothing, we could only make money on this trade. If this comes back and takes me out, I still made money on this trade, but I can also re-enter the trade all over again. So yeah, quite nice. And I'm going to get another order ready. Uh, um, does that happen? I don't think it does, but if it did, we just put another order on. Beautiful. So now I put another order on. So that was a minus 14, but I'd already made 3260 ticks. So I had a total of 40 some odd ticks in profit. And now I get to re-enter the trade again. So this whole series is quite nice. So wait to get picked up again. Slow it down just until we get picked up, and then we'll see what we can do again. Here we go. Now we're going to start all over again. Made money on the first time through. And oh, great. Now this candle is just about ready to stop. I got to start it again just to, okay. Now notice I get another strong candle indicator. This candle is 4 times stronger than the previous one. Now, since I don't have any risk on the first trade, can I now enter the second trade? And the answer is yes, I can. So I'm going to get another order ready. So while I'm still in the previous trade, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and enter same ATM, enter the second trade as well. Again, lower the speed until I get picked up. Okay, now I'm picked up. Now let's watch what happens here. I'm still in the first trade. And there's my stop for the first trade. Here's my stop for the second trade. It's where it's supposed to be. And now I wait for the first target to get taken out. All right, now what's happened so far? My first target was taken out on the second trade. So I have no risk on this trade. Now, if it comes back and takes me out, I get another order ready to sell. If it doesn't take me out, then I just wait and see if my longer targets. I've got two longer targets on the second trade, one longer target on the first trade. So I'm in two trades at one time, and I have no risk involved in either one. That's key. Okay. So again, no targets. Or if my first two targets are out on both trades. My longer term targets on both trades has not materialized yet. So here's the longer target on the first trade. Here's the longer target on the second trade. And you'll see as the targets get hit, these stop losses will disappear because those trades are completed. Now we get something kind of extraordinary. It's very rare to get three strong candles in a row. So when this candle closes, we'll stop and take another look at what's going on. All right, our longer target on the first trade was one tick away from getting hit. Green line fever, right? One tick away from getting hit. All right, so now what's happened now? You saw our first trade is completely been done. We've taken out all of our targets on the first trade. So again, we're taking this a little slowly because it's a little more complicated. We're just going to take three trades in a row on three candles in a row. Okay, this is winding down. The end of this candle, we'll take another break, explain what's going on. It's basically the same thing that happened on the first two trades. We're going to do it over and over again. Okay, targets are out on both of the first two trades. Okay, now for again, I've got another strong candle indicator. And again, we've had a nice retrace. I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath the entire candle because I don't have much of a tail there. So just outside the candle, and I'm going to do it all over again. So again, we're going to wait to get hit. All targets are there. Boom. Our first two targets get taken out immediately, and our third target gets taken out in less than in about 20 seconds. So yeah, pretty nice move. So one, two, three trades in a row. These trades altogether were worth $2,105 and took little more than 10 minutes. Well, one, two, it's 5, 10, 5, 10, a little bit more than 10 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make $2,105 in a little more than 10 minutes, come join us in the live trading room. It's great fun. We got a great group of people. Everybody's friendly. And come to samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. It's the only place where you can find the strong candle indicators. And we also have the delta indicators that go along with this, which I didn't have on here because I didn't want to confuse the issue. But they are purely from Samurai Day Trading. You can't find them anywhere else. And then come and do this in about 10 minutes worth of work. So we look forward to seeing you at samuraidaytrading.com. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.